Welcome, all friends. Today we announce the State Committee of RLD Tamil Nadu. We announce Raja Raman Govindarajan as a State President of Tamil Nadu RLD. We form RLD in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Rajaraman is our president, and he formed a committee within a month with all community, religion, areas, all political leaders. Mr. Rajaraman is announced within a 1 month. Our party stands for villager, farmer, women empowerment के लिए, and we are for unemployment youth, because in Tamil Nadu is very big unemployment. We should like small scale industry. Government should give a loan to youth 20 lakh to 50 lakh minimum interest of rate, and they form the small scale industry like a sabun, matches, kapda, diya salai, juta, copy, book, pen, pencil, they can made by hand. So we are support of small scale industry. We are not America. America is in area is bigger than us in 4 times, and we are in population bigger than America in 5 times. So we can't behave like America. We support small scale industry, and small scale industry give a maximum work for youth, and अगर यूथ रोजगार मिलेगा ये नौजवानों को तो क्राइम कंट्रोल में भी, if unemployment is not given by youth, तो crime control rate go up. So I request to Chief Minister, he gave the youth for small scale industry 20 lakh to 50 lakh. There is in village there is no road, hospital. This hospital has no doctor, no medicine. There is a very much problem in Tamil Nadu. Farmer is very poor here for paddy, for or so many crops are there. So we would like government support to farmer. Chaudhary Chand Singh says, if farmer is strong, then India is strong. Chaudhary Chand Singh says, rural India is real India. So I say, if rural is strengthened by the government, then India also a big power in world. It is my submission. So we work for farmer, we work for women empowerment, we work for villager, we work for weaker section, we work for unemployment youth. So R&D stand by these So I would like our state leader meeting with our all friends and take a time with Chief Minister or raise this question. In these question raised by front of Chief Minister, and I may be RLD demand that you strengthen village, you strengthen farmer, you strengthen unemployment youth and women also. So, and उनका करना है क्या जनरल सेक्रेटरी बता देते हैं. हाँ जी है तो है नहीं, सो टाइम तो है नहीं. Also state general secretary and a Karnataka state treasurer also announced to and Mr. You gave the press. Oh,
Just one more year is there for
yes,
elections,
we participate in state election, MLA election. Sure.
Any alliance, sir?
We are in NDA. So we discuss with NDA friends and then we'll fight the election.
So what is the main principle for Tamil Nadu, sir? Your principle, sir. Your party principle for Tamil Nadu.
मैंने बताया मॉडल आपको बताया तो फॉर फार्मर्स, फॉर विलेजर, फॉर स्टूडेंट.
So in Tamil Nadu, lot of issues are going regarding India party something.
No, NDA is in Delhi, but Tamil Nadu, there is a AIDMK, BJP also, we also. So we discuss with among आपस में बातचीत करके we fight the election.
Why do you think your party is starting now, the state unit now? In Tamil
Yes,
Nadu?
Chaudhary Chand Singh time there is a unit in Tamil Nadu, and Ajit Singh time there is also unit in Tamil Nadu. But sometime we are our working is slow, so we are going work with fast with our friends, and we fight the election.
Your party is supported in Delhi, Congress or BJP?
We are in NDA. I am not in India, so we support the NDA, not India. Congress in India with DMK.
So here also not supported. Here also not supported with DMK.
No. No support. I am in India, in NDA. So NDA form a coalition and fight the election. DMK also say I am number one. Everyone say number one. But in village there is a road, but road is broken. There is a hospital, but doctor is not there. A medicine is not there. This is the problem. If village is strong, anyone can't live in Chennai. Population is very high in metro city. If very facilities in every facilities in village, so anyone can't live in metro city.
ऑलरेडी ये 2 लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम जो है, एनडीए जो बोल रहा है 3 लैंग्वेज चाहिए, लेकिन तमिलनाडु तो शुरू से ही मना कर रहा था, ओनली 2 लैंग्वेज पॉलिसी. अभी महाराष्ट्र भी वही बोल रहा है, तो उसके बारे में आपका
लैंग्वेज का सवाल है. लैंग्वेज लोकल लैंग्वेज भी होनी चाहिए, राष्ट्रीय लैंग्वेज भी होनी चाहिए. इंग्लिश भी तो है, इंग्लिश का क्यों नहीं विरोध करते? Why not oppose English? English is the British language. We respect Tamil. Tamil is similar to Sanskrit. We respect all local language. But don't oppose Hindi. Don't support English. We respect Tamil, and Tamil should be first language of state, and every work do in Tamil. I say frankly, but we respect all languages. What problem?
will Rashtriya Lokdal take efforts to propagate Tamil in North India?
Tamil in?
Tamil in North India, basically UP, Rajasthan. Will your
नहीं
party take
नहीं,
efforts?
अगर तमिल, मैं तो कहता हूँ जितनी भी क्षेत्रीय भाषाएं हैं, लोकल लैंग्वेज हैं, उनको ऑप्शन पर पढ़ाया जाना चाहिए। जो स्टूडेंट पढ़ना चाहे उनको सभी स्टेटों में उनको पढ़ाया जाना चाहिए, और लड़के मैक्सिमम भाषाओं का कि उनको ज्ञान होना चाहिए। जब अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहे हो, आप इंग्लिश का तो ज्ञान कर रहे हो सबको, तमिल का नहीं कर रहे हो, हिंदी का नहीं कर रहे हो, कि आप दूसरे कन्नड़ का नहीं कर रहे हो, दिस इज बैड। वो होना चाहिए। मैं इसकी आपकी बात को समर्थन करता हूँ इसका।
Sir, in Parliament building there is only two languages, Sanskrit and Hindi.
हाँ
In Parliament building,
हाँ
they have mentioned only two languages.
हाँ।
What about the other languages in India?
अब देखिए, पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग में देश भर में हर स्टेट की अलग लैंग्वेज है, और एक एक स्टेट में दो दो लैंग्वेज भी हैं। तो ये थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा सवाल है कि इस पे पर उसका अगर अरेंजमेंट हो जाए तो कोई बुरी
So
बात
why
नहीं।
you are supporting for Sanskrit?
मैं कह रहा हूँ उसका अगर अरेंजमेंट हो जाए तो कोई बुरी बात नहीं है। इट्स गुड योर क्वेश्चन इज वेरी राइट, बट इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया देयर इज ए 29, 30, 35 language in India, so there is a problem.
So, for this thing there is no problem. Sir. In Rupi Note we having every
I
state.
support your question, but so many languages in India, so problem.
चौधरी चरण सिंह और चौधरी अजीत सिंह साहब जब मंत्री थे उस वक्त पर बीजेपी से विरोध कर रहे थे, लेकिन उनका ख्यालात सब वो डेमोक्रेटिक के खिलाफ
देखिए,
काम कर रहे थे। सुनिए
हाँ।
पूरी बात सुनिए।
हाँ।
तो लेकिन जब आप जो है ना उनके ख्यालात के खिलाफ आपकी पार्टी जो काम कर रही है।
हाँ, जस्ट में बिल्कुल आपने सही सवाल। मैं हिंदी में बोलूं?
हाँ बोले, हिंदी इंग्लिश।
चौधरी चरण सिंह ने, हाँ,
इंग्लिश में।
मैं अगर हिंदी थोड़ा समझते हैं,
No sir,
इंग्लिश में बोले,
English.
इंग्लिश में।
हाँ, चौधरी चरण सिंह जी ने अटल बिहारी जब भाजपा के अध्यक्ष थे 1983 में, चौधरी चरण सिंह और अटल बिहारी